So we've decided to give Jack a second chance with a tour. He's taking us himself out to the Terracota Warriors, and mainly because it fits in with our scheduling quite well, but we'll see how it goes today. And it's another smoggy day here in Xi'an, on our way out to the Terracota Warriors. So this is a factory for making Terracota Warriors. Steve had a chat to Jack about how we didn't like the other shopping. But Jack has explained that this place is better. They're going to teach us how they make the Terracota Warriors, and he also explains how he gets free petrol for taking us here. And this shouldn't be a long stop, so we'll see how it goes. At this factory they have a spot where you can put your head behind a warrior body, so that's pretty cool. Very touristy. This is the clay.
In ancient time we use exactly the same clay, and 2,000 years ago. First we will take the clay to melt first, and press it very firmly. So you have a look, now 10 minutes later, then we will take it out. Now it's like this. And then we work over, take a lot of time to carve. And put on to some years. Like this, take around 20 years. This one take around 3 months. After dry, you can put it into the temperature to 900 degrees Celsius. Very hard and strong. All different sugar have a different standards. 2 nuts, give the general. Square thumb is officer. And with the 1 nut here slightly to the right, so to the left, he will need archer or shooting target. So that is why you need to take a bow from the left. So that is why this side to the left, this side is right. And here in this in ancient time, inside of the museum, when we make a big size warrior, a little bit different from the small one. Big size warrior on the head with the body separate made. Inside the body was completely hollow. While if we made a solid one, then we put into the camp to be fine, to crack, broken. So we have to make it hollow and separate. And also in Qing dynasty, all the warrior was made according to the rules of the space. Each one is different. After fire, okay, it's all painted with the But today when you go to the museum, those color are already gone because of oxygen. Yeah, they already oxidized. All the warriors beat with a square pedal. So in this case, soldier can stand up and keep the balance, otherwise they're falling down. But here, like this green one, the big warrior is here. It's in the middle, little J. This modern style adaptation. So in ancient time, inside of the museum, no jade away. They were all terracotta. Are you a teacher? Animal, do you know yours? The year we were born. Which one are you?
Snake.
Snake here, and you? Horse here, and you? Which year are you born?
84.
84, you were born in the year of the rat.
Absolutely.
Yeah, exactly, you were born in the rat. A mouse. And you? Horse. Yeah. The ceramic and the pottery. Let's look at the finished warrior first. Later, if you like, you can come back. Made about different side of warriors. They starting from 1/4 size to all these big size warriors. If you like it, the price will including shipping and insurance. We can ship all over the world. The rest of small size not including shipping. So like just suppose you choose something you like here, you also can pay us by your credit card. Yeah. Now later you can enjoy yourself. It's your free time. You look around. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay?
Thank you.
So the tour really did only take about 10 minutes, and it was interesting and informative, and the products here look very good, and they have free shipping to anywhere in the world for the larger items, although the smaller items you buy yourself. And they have a picture of Kofi Annan visiting the factory in 1997. So yeah, as I was saying, small items you have to arrange shipping or transport yourself, but the larger ones they'll ship for you, and if it breaks they will ship you a new one, so you don't have to worry about the safety during shipping or anything like that. The prices here are quite high though. So Jack's telling us that the set here, it's 400 yuan, but at the museum they will be 1200.
If 1200 give you half price, 600. This discount 300. That's the cheaper music.
Okay, so we can still get it cheaper if we negotiate here. And so this one here, it is a Terracota Warrior style chess set with different pieces and a board. Looks pretty cool. And this set they'll even throw in an emperor for free. They also have a whole lot of wooden furniture here as well, which mostly looks pretty nice if you're in the market for that sort of thing. And they have rugs, and through here they have silk clothes and kites too, and scrolls, so all your souvenir needs. So as with everywhere else, you can negotiate here. Abri, you just got 50% off, yeah?
Yeah, 50% off.
Yeah, so the price marked isn't the price that you'll pay if you're willing to negotiate. So that tour wasn't too bad. The first part actually was quite informative, and there were interesting things to look at in the shopping, so not too bad of a detour on our trip out to the Terracota Warriors. I guess the whole thing took 25 minutes all up by the time we'd looked at everything. And we could have got out of there faster if we wanted to, probably.